Welcome back to part, whatever this is. Part 5, part 6. I don't know, this video is taking forever to make parts. And you know, it's going to take me like a whole day just to get this video uploaded. Oh my god, I'm dreading uploading this video. But hey, I'm doing it for you. So you know what you're going to be getting if you pick up and buy this set. So yeah. I mean, this one definitely probably one of the fastest Veltriads that's out there today, compared to like the Super Chosen Z series, which we're going to get here as Beyblade Burst Turbo. So what turbo are they trying to copy? Are they trying to copy Turbo, like, you know, the little snail from Turbo Fast? Or are they trying to copy Turbo as in Power Rangers Turbo, shift into action? You know, seriously, what Turbo series are they trying to copy? And let's do a quick little battle here, because I promise a battle and I'm going to deliver. You know, it took a couple extra videos, but hey. So, I think we might actually get to see a burst. Oh, no, we didn't get to see a burst. Almost. So, Veltriads win. Yeah, you know what? Since this is a whole new video, we might be able to get away with, like, 3 battles instead of just 1 or 2. Uh-oh, Veltriads came apart. Let me stop that one, because I guess maybe one more hit and Veltriads will burst. So let's redo that one. Oh, Veltriads just burst. And you know why it burst? Because its own stupid spring. Because you know this one, it has that little spring in it that allows it to do the reboost or rebound attack. Yeah. So by doing that, it